In this video, I'll show you how to view and understand your Instagram insights. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. Open Instagram and head to settings, then scroll down just a little bit and under for professionals, you're gonna tap on insights. As you can see, here is where you're gonna be able to see your professional dashboard. Instagram will divide your insights into 4 categories. So the first one will be views, the second one will be interactions, the third one will be new followers, and then the last one will be the content that you have shared. So let's go ahead and start with the first section, which is going to be your views. Right here is where you're going to see how many people are viewing your Instagram profile. As you can see, this account received 75,000 views over the last 30 days. If you want to change the time frame, what you can do is go ahead and tap on the left corner and you can select a different time period. Right here in the middle section, Instagram will show you where those views are coming from. So for example, 88% of those views are coming from stories, 10% are coming from posts, and 0.3% are coming from reels. Now, if you go back and you select interactions, if you scroll down just a little bit, here is where you will see the number of likes, comments, and saves you're receiving on every single post. Also, you can see your stories and also your reels. Now, if we go back and select new followers, here is where you can see the number of followers that your account has, and also Instagram will show you the number of growth that your account has been receiving. As you can see, Instagram will show you a little graphic, and here is where you can track the overall growth of your following. If for some reason you're not able to see your Instagram insights, chances are your account is not a business or a creator account. So make sure you switch your account to creator or business mode in order to see your insights. Hope that helps.